mustache and my plaid and my long hair. I look like my mom in the 70s. She didn't have Bambi ears. Actually, for all I know, she did. The 70s were a crazy time. They did all sorts of things. Bambi ears might have been one of them.
I love Halloween, but this filter is just awful. It's terrifying.
I could switch my Disney movie and become part of Lion King, but I just don't feel quite as cute this way. I finished my letter to Disney today, though. I sent 3 emails and 6 hard copy letters, so hopefully the right person will get it. I don't know if it'll do a lick of good, but I don't think that you can make any kind of difference if you don't try. So now I've tried, and for the record, I also went on a little bit about how much better the boys' merchandise is than the girls' merchandise, but I decided not to make that my hill to die on. I think that's also a Disney issue worth addressing, but that's a different letter for a different day. I might write that one later. Should I marry Cocoam? Is all my dreaming at an end? Or do you still wait for me, dream giver? Just around the river bend.
Seriously though, y'all give me way too much validation and attention. It's going straight to my head. Let's hope Disney does the exact same thing.